Hello friends, in this video we are going to study how to convert an infix expression to postfix expression using stat. To understand this conversion of infix to postfix, in this video we are going to cover one solved problem. What is infix expression and what is postfix expression? An expression in which the operators comes in between the operands is called as infix expression. Here if you see the expression given in infix expression is a plus b. Here plus is the operator which is coming in between two operands. That's why it is called as infix expression. Whenever the operator comes in between operands, it's called as infix expression. Whereas whenever the operator comes after operands, then it is called as postfix expression. So this is the equivalent postfix expression for the given infix expression, that is a plus b. So a plus b is the infix expression, whereas ab plus is postfix expression. Consider the example given here to convert this infix expression to postfix expression. So this is your input and here is your output area. The output will come here. There is a stack we are going to use in this conversion infix to postfix. This stack is called as operator stack, which is going to store operators. Now, to convert any infix expression to postfix expression, we have to follow certain steps. We have to first scan the given expression, input expression, that is infix expression, from left to right. If the scanned symbol or character is an operand, then directly put it into the postfix area, postfix string. Okay. If the scanned symbol is any opening parenthesis, bracket, square bracket, angle bracket, or operator, then we have to push it onto the stack. We can push higher precedence operator over lower precedence operator. So this is the rule that we have to remember always, that we can push higher precedence operator over lower precedence operator, but the reverse is not possible. It means that we cannot put lower precedence operator over higher precedence operator. If this is the situation happens in this conversion, that the higher precedence operator is on the top of the stack, say, and lower precedence operator is coming, we cannot place this lower precedence operator over higher precedence operator. Then in that situation, we have to pop out all the higher precedence operators from the stack to the postfix expression, and then only we can push lower precedence operator into the stack. Then whenever we reach to the closing parenthesis like this here, we have to match that closing parenthesis on the topmost element of the stack with the topmost element of the stack. If both are matching, then we can discard that. If both are not matching, then we have to pop out all the elements from the stack to the postfix string till you get the exact match. So this process continued till the last element gets considered. Now to understand this conversion, we will see this example. To convert this expression, that is in bracket a plus b minus c close bracket into d minus in bracket e plus f close the bracket. So this is the expression we have to convert it into postfix. First thing is, we'll scan this input expression from left to right. The first symbol scanned is an opening parenthesis, so it is not operand, it is parenthesis, so it must go into the operator stack. So it is here. Okay. So the next symbol is a is operand. Operand must go directly into the postfix string, right? So it will come here. Now plus is operator, it should go into the operator stack on top of this opening parenthesis. Then the next symbol is B, which is operand. It directly goes to postfix string. Minus. Now see this. This is having higher precedence operator here. Topmost element is plus, whereas the coming element is minus. I cannot put minus over plus, because plus is having higher precedence and minus is having lower precedence operator. So we can't put minus or plus into this stack. So in this situation, we have to pop this plus from here to the postfix string, and then we can push this minus into the stack. So it is here, plus is out and minus is in this stack. The next symbol is C, which is operand, which goes directly to the postfix string. Now the closing bracket, the next symbol that is coming is closing bracket. We have to check this closing bracket and we have to match it with the topmost element of the stack. Right now topmost element of the stack is minus, which is not matching. So in this case, we have to pop all the elements which are above this opening parenthesis. We have to pop all the elements to the postfix string till this opening bracket becomes the topmost element of the stack. And when it becomes topmost element of the stack, we'll match this closing bracket with the opening bracket and we'll discard it, because postfix string does not consist of brackets or parentheses. Okay, so in this situation we pop out minus and opening and closing bracket get cancelled, discarded. Now the next symbol is multiplication, which is operator, goes into the operator stack. D is the operand, it must go to the postfix string. The next symbol is minus. See here, minus is having lower precedence than multiplication of the topmost element of the stack. So I cannot put minus over multiplication. I cannot put any lower precedence operator on higher precedence operator. In that scenario, what we can do is we have to pop the higher precedence operator from the stack to the postfix string and then push this minus into the stack like this. Okay, so the next is bracket, it goes into the stack. E is the operand, it goes here in the postfix string. Plus is having higher precedence than minus, it can be put on top of minus, so it goes into the stack. F is operand, it goes into the postfix string. Closing bracket. Now when a closing bracket comes, we have to check topmost element, it is not matching, pop that element, post it into the postfix string. Now that opening and closing get cancelled. Now there is only one element remain and there are no elements for scanning, so minus goes into the postfix string. So this is the final result of your input expression, infix expression. So this is the postfix conversion of a given example. Thank you very much for watching the video.